Which is the cliff in the more northern island of the Faroe, and the cliff is north facing, so it's basically the last Earth before North Pole at that point.
And it was supposed to be good weather from...
No, it was supposed to not be raining. It didn't say good weather.
8:30 onwards, so to be fair it's only 9 o'clock, so it could be coming. We just got to be patient, but that's a big problem for Caroline. I think it's getting better.
So Caroline's problem is she's negative, and James' problem is he's unrealistic. It's actually real life. It's always the same with us.
But look, it's getting better.
Yeah.
They're clearing up.
We'll see. I think we're gonna hike in the rain like proper English people and not say anything.
GPS signal lost.
C'est pas très stable.
I feel like I'm on a theme park ride in like the floating logs on those little rivers through the caves. And then at the side there's going to be a big drop.
Lumière. De lumière. Ça va tourner à gauche vachement.
Okay, is it going to be nice weather finally?
My ass.
Is it going to be nice weather finally? I think it might be. I think it might not be. It's almost stopped raining.
C'est pas remarqué, mais
And
la
there is
montagne elle
a
est
big mountain.
dans les nuages.
Big mountain with some big cliffs behind it. We are about to start our hike up to Cape Enniberg. Apparently, to get to the top of the mountain, which is up there, we have to follow this line of blue poles, which basically goes up the hillside. The problem is at some point those poles stop when we get to basically the first summit, and we have to try and use our wits and our natural instincts. Therein lies the problem. Both Caroline and I have none of those attributes. Managed to get to the top before the weather turns. It seems like it's clear enough. Well, I think the fact that we're pretty much at the summit deserves a little break, so it's time for some tea and biscuits. Only we're not quite as organised as that, we don't have a flask, so it's just going to be water and biscuits. But in all honesty, it's the biscuits that are the most important part. T'es contente, Carolina?
Bon. 90% chance we walked out when we wanted the cliff.
For like 10 minutes it was a really nice walk. It's crazy here. On the way up, we started out in the mist and the rain, halfway up it was bright sunshine, and then back at the top it's just full of mist. Visibility must be about 50 metres, but luckily there's some giant cairns, so I presume we're going somewhere. That's about it. I think we just found out where we are. I remember Johannes telling us yesterday that there's a very tricky bit at one point. I thought you meant tricky just because it was perhaps technical, but it just looks like it's actually kind of sketchy. There's this huge steep gully down to that side and a tiny little thin path that just weaves along, and it looks like you're going to have exactly the same on the other side. So we're almost there, I think. We're almost at the tip of Cape Enniberg, which is actually the summit of a small mountain that basically just falls away into the sea. And it's still really misty.
We can do some English climbing here.
If all else fails, Caroline says we can put up some hard grit style routes here. Here the rock's actually pretty good. It's like a big pile of Jenga blocks. It's very wet, but pretty good. That's where we're going.
I always have the same thing, you know, if my sisters can't go there, then it's a bit tricky. 100% my sister can't go there. She'd be like sat on the floor.
pretty much at the northernmost point of the Faroe Islands. Here, below me, is Cape Enniberg. And basically you can't see anything because it's all super misty, and that drops 750 meters into the sea. So we're going to try and fly the drone off and hope that the mist is only at the top of the mountain and that lower down it might be a bit cleaner. And also hope that no birds attack the drone, because that would really suck.
So James is presently shitting himself at the idea of maybe losing his drone. But at the same time, we have to do it. Now you bring it back. I can catch it if you want. What happened? Your app fucked up at some point, yeah?
Yes,
So it crashed when you were...
I'm gonna fly that.
Oh my god, look at this land! I don't know if you're gonna be able to see anything. Oh god. That's what happens when you fly in a mist, I guess.
So I think we'll just try our best to dry off the drone right now, and then pack everything away and hike down and see if we can do anything else later on with it from another place.
Well, at least you recovered your drone, that's already something.
That's probably the best result of the whole trip so far. Well, it was crazy, you could see little birds flying past it like rockets, even way out over, I was like a kilometre out over the cliff, nowhere near them. Maybe they were just curious, but...
No, I think they would attack, huh?
Oh my god, it's so wet.